the goals of the project were, safety, saving someone's life and crossing an intersection. The cost was way too prohibitive versus the objective. And so there's that piece of it. But at the same time, we quickly learned, and it was a little bit of latency to the cloud and back. I'm having to generate some data here, send it to the cloud, process it, and then I got to run some events over here at the edge so I can inference it at the edge because we're testing that. And then the ping-ponging back and forth, that induced latency. And when we're trying to turn around a reaction or a prediction with some model at the edge in the cloud versus truly running at the edge, you're going from hundreds of milliseconds or seconds to, I want to make a decision in a half a second. But that involves a lot of going back and forth. The latency just was way too time prohibitive to actually run it in the cloud. So there was a cost aspect that was a super quick trigger. And then the latency as we go, wow, running this through the wireless telecom network, which then egresses somewhere down in Texas and then has to come back up to us back at the edge. That pinging ponging back and forth made the solution actually not work really, really well. And so our reaction times were delayed, and how we're saying, hey, we're going to delay a transition in a traffic intersection because what we detected in the camera based on our inferencing model. Well, if I can shorten that down from 3 seconds to a half a second, then now I actually can influence someone's decision and actually maybe save a life. And it was prohibitive in just multiple ways of putting it into the cloud.